have to also look at when businesses are not registering at economic affairs, they are not applying for their employees at the Ministry of Labor, they are not ensuring the persons are residents, legal residents on the island. These individuals will skip jack out of these establishments very quickly. And then, yes, it becomes a raid. I read in the article of the chairlady that businesses or business owners have indicated in all their years they have never seen this level of controls by immigration, and that is absolutely untrue. I am sure that we can remember many years ago when immigration really did their work. They would move into homes 4 a.m. in the morning. Those were raids. These aren't raids. These are controls. These are the authorities simply executing controls. If the businesses and the persons who are occupying our society is not doing what they're supposed to do, the government and these authorities cannot be held liable for that.